Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Rocky Linux 9.7 on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to Rocky Linux official website and download. It is rockylinux.org. Click on download or download, both are same. Then see in 10 series 10.1 is the latest one. If you want to download and install 10.1, you can search for my YouTube channel. And in this video we are going to download 9.7. Click on Rocky Linux 9. Then see here we have the latest version 9. See here we have three options: boot ISO, minimal ISO, DVD ISO, and the other option is download by using this torrent. This is only for DVD ISO. DVD ISO means it is full ISO. It is up to you, whatever you want you can download. In this video I am going to download and install this DVD ISO. Click on it to download. No need to register. Go to downloads. See here download started and its size is about 12.4 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox on your machine, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Now click on new or machine and select new to create new virtual machine. Here we have to provide the VM name, that is virtual machine name. I am giving Rocky 97 VMO. Name can be anything. This is just virtual machine name, and this is the default location to store this virtual machine files and folders. If you want some other location, click on this drop down and select other, then select the path where you have the space. Select the folder, then select the downloaded ISO image. Click on drop down, select other, then go to downloads. See here I have the Rocky Linux 9.7 DVD ISO. Select it, then click on open. See, once you selected, OS change it to Linux, OS distribution to Red Hat, and OS version is Red Hat 64. First on select this one, that is proceed with unattended installation. Then see here we don't have Rocky Linux, but Rocky is of the Red Hat type family, so select Red Hat 64-bit. Particularly if you want to select the version, see here we have the Red Hat 9.x 64-bit. Then come to specify hardware. I am giving memory as 4 gigabytes. It is up to you based on requirement and availability. Number of CPUs I am giving 2. Then hard disk I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or just select it and click on settings. I am changing this pointing device PST mouse to USB tablet. Then click on OK. Review the settings one more time. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start, or right click and select start. Then start with the GUI, or just select it and go to machine and select start and start with the GUI. All three are same. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is install Rocky Linux 9.7, and hit enter. Now select the language and click on continue. See here the begin installation is created. Why? Because the options that are marked with red color must be filled. Installation destination, see here local standard disks, specialized and network disk. All I am going with the defaults. If you want to configure, you have to click on them and you can configure. Okay, click on done. And root password, see here root account is disabled. If you want to enable, click on it, then unlock this one. Set the password for root account. Remember this password later. Then allow root SSH login with password. Select the checkbox. Then click on done. Then user creation, click on it. I am giving user full name as R2 Schools and username also same. And if you want to make this user as administrator, select the checkbox. Then set the password for this user. Confirm the same. Then click on done. And software selection. See here by default it has selected server GUI. Okay, and we have other base environments like server, minimal install, workstation, custom operating system, virtualization host. Whatever you want, you can select. Based on this, optionally you can select any one of these optional softwares like mail server, DNS name server, whatever you want, you can select. If you select server, we have different options. See here. Okay. So I'm going to select this server with GUI. Click on done. Time and date. See, these are my local time and date. Okay. You can select on the globe, or you can select region from this drop down, and city. Okay. And network time, if you want to turn off or turn on, it is up to you. Then click on done. Language support, I'm going with the default. Keyboard also same. Review the settings one more time. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on begin installation. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I'm going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Now click on reboot system. Now click on username and provide the password that you have set for this user. No thanks. Now open terminal. Let me increase the font size. Go to these three horizontal bars, then preferences, then go to unnamed, then select this checkbox, that is custom font. Click on here, select the font family and select the size here. Select it, close this one. See here, font size has been increased. Now verify the version, more/etc os-release. See, we have installed Rocky Linux 9.7. Blue Onyx is the code name for Rocky Linux 9.7. Okay, the first step after connecting to Rocky Linux is we have to update the packages. Sudo dnf update ampersand sudo dnf upgrade. Control it. Hit enter. Provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user or root account. Hit enter. Activities, show applications. See here, these are the default applications that comes with Rocky Linux. See, it is going to install 4 packages and upgrading 19 packages, and this is the total download size. Type for confirmation and hit enter. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Rocky Linux 9.7 on VirtualBox. Okay, for more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.